Each year, automotive thrill seekers and off-road enthusiasts gather to witness one of the most adrenaline-pumping spectacles in the world: big trucks in the mud. In 2025, this legendary mud-slinging celebration took an even more modern twist, evolving into the ultimate combination of tradition and innovation. Held across several key off-road parks in the United States, Big Trucks in the Mud Modern 2025 showcased not only the sheer power of custom-built monster trucks, but also introduced new technologies, safety innovations, electric big rig prototypes, and AI-assisted vehicle tuning. Let's dive deep into the tire-spinning chaos and muddy glory of this year's landmark event. The spirit of the mud. What is Big Trucks in the Mud? The essence of Big Trucks in the Mud has remained consistent since its origin. Large, loud, heavily modified trucks tearing through treacherous, muddy terrain to the delight of roaring crowds. These aren't your average pickup trucks. These beasts are equipped with supersized tires, lifted suspensions, turbocharged engines, and reinforced frames to handle the brutality of thick mud pits and steep climbs. But modern 2025 was more than just tradition. It embraced the future, adding electric trucks, smart diagnostics, and even live VR streaming for a global audience. Locations and layouts. Big Trucks in the Mud Modern 2025 took place from March to April, with flagship events in Red Clay Ridge, Georgia, known for its deep red mud and natural bowl-shaped terrain. Mud Mountain Park, Texas, a custom-built venue designed for maximum splash and airborne stunts. Everglades Off-Road Center, Florida, a fan favorite for swamp-style trails and waterlogged runs. Each location had its unique challenges and course layouts, featuring mud drags, straight-line speed through muddy trenches, hill climbs, vertical ascents with loose soil and rocky traps, obstacle courses, tires, logs, jumps, and water crossings, freestyle stunts, where drivers pushed creativity and courage to the edge. The trucks, bigger, smarter, and greener. In 2025, the participating trucks fell into several distinct categories. 1. Legacy beasts. These are the traditional monsters, powered by 1,000-plus horsepower gas or diesel engines. Fans love their rumble, smoke, and raw power. Notable examples include Mudzilla X, a 12-foot-tall truck with a twin-turbo diesel V8. The Swamp King, a Florida-built classic known for its amphibious capabilities. 2. Electric Mudders. Electric vehicles are no longer just for city streets. Modern 2025 saw the rise of fully electric mud trucks with instant torque delivery, reduced maintenance, and whisper-quiet domination. Leading the charge, Voltrage 4X, a dual-motor EV truck with 1,400 Newton-meters torque. Silent Thunder, an experimental truck from a startup using solid-state batteries. 3. AI-tuned machines. A standout trend this year was AI-assisted tuning. Teams used machine learning to auto-adjust suspension stiffness, tire pressure, and throttle mapping in real time based on terrain feedback. One popular team, Mud demonstrated their AI truck trail cleaner, which learned the course after just one trial run and improved lap times by 18%. Fan experience and tech integration. Modern 2025 was designed with both in-person and virtual audiences in mind. Here's how fans engaged. 360-degree VR viewing. Spectators could hop into a virtual cockpit and ride alongside their favorite drivers. Live telemetry feeds. Engine RPM, wheel torque, suspension flex, and more were streamed in real time. Interactive leaderboards, updated dynamically with crowd voting features for freestyle rounds. Drone coverage. Overhead drones captured jaw-dropping footage for live broadcasts. The in-person experience included mud wrestling exhibitions, food truck festivals, live music, and a dedicated future garage where fans could see upcoming mud tech and prototypes. The competitors, legends and rising stars. Several fan-favorite drivers returned to defend their titles, while new challengers looked to make a name. Notable figures included Randy the Ripper Holt, a legend in the scene, piloting Rumble Stomp, a supercharged beast known for huge jumps and even bigger egos. Jamie Shu, a former robotics engineer, turned off-road driver, running the AI-powered Neurotorque. Samantha Blaze, one of the most skilled freestyle drivers, combining aggressive driving with high-flying flair. Miguel El Toro Delgado, representing Mexico with his diesel-electric hybrid truck, La Furia Verde.